A well-crafted resume is a crucial tool in your job search arsenal. It serves as a written representation of your skills, qualifications, and experiences, providing potential employers with a glimpse into your professional background. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, knowing how to write a resume effectively can significantly increase your chances of landing interviews and ultimately securing the job you desire. In this comprehensive 10-step guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a compelling resume that captures the attention of hiring managers. From understanding the purpose of a resume to tailoring it to specific job opportunities. Each step will equip you with the knowledge and techniques to craft a standout resume. We will start by discussing the importance of understanding the purpose of a resume and how it serves as your personal marketing tool. You'll gain insights into the different resume formats available and how to choose the most suitable one based on your unique circumstances. Next, we will guide you through the essential components of a resume, beginning with your contact information, a compelling summary or objective statement, and a detailed work history that showcases your accomplishments and responsibilities. You'll also learn how to highlight your education, relevant certifications, and key skills to demonstrate your qualifications. To make your resume even more impactful, we will explore additional sections you can include, such as volunteer work, professional memberships, or notable projects. These sections allow you to showcase your well-roundedness and add depth to your resume. Tailoring your resume to each job application is a critical step and will provide strategies on how to align your qualifications and experiences with the specific job requirements. Customization and attention to detail can make a significant difference in capturing the interest of employers. Finally, we will emphasize the importance of proofreading and formatting your resume. A polished and error-free document not only reflects your professionalism but also enhances readability and ensures that your qualifications shine through. Remember, a resume is not just a list of job experiences, it's an opportunity to showcase your unique skills, achievements, and potential as a candidate. By following the 10 steps outlined in this guide, you'll gain the confidence and expertise to create a resume that stands out from the competition and opens doors to exciting career opportunities. So, let's dive in and learn the art of resume writing. Mastering this skill will empower you to present yourself effectively on paper, making a compelling case for why you're the perfect fit for your dream job. Get ready to craft a resume that grabs attention and paves the way to your professional success. Step 1. Understand the purpose of a resume. Learn about the purpose of a resume and how it serves as a marketing tool to showcase your skills, qualifications, and experience to potential employers. Step 2. Choose the appropriate resume format. Select the resume format that best suits your background and career goals. Common formats include chronological, functional, and combination resumes. Step 3. Include your contact information. Provide your full name, phone number, email address, and optionally, your professional social media profile links at the top of your resume for easy contact. Step 4. Write a compelling resume summary or objective statement. Craft a concise summary or objective statement that highlights your key qualifications, career goals, and what you bring to the table as a candidate. Step 5. List your relevant work experience. Include your work history in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent position. Provide details about your job title, company name, dates of employment, and key responsibilities and accomplishments. Step 6. Highlight your education and relevant certifications. List your educational background, including degrees, diplomas, and certifications. Include the name of the institution, graduation year, and any relevant coursework or academic achievements. Step 7. Showcase your skills. Create a dedicated section to highlight your key skills and areas of expertise. Include both hard skills, technical proficiencies, and soft skills, communication, leadership, etc., relevant to the job you're targeting. Step 8. Include additional resume sections. Consider adding additional sections such as volunteer work, professional memberships, language proficiency, or relevant projects to showcase your well-roundedness and distinguish yourself. Step 9. Tailor your resume to the job description. Customize your resume for each job application by aligning your qualifications and experiences with the specific requirements and keywords mentioned in the job description. Step 10. Proofread and format your resume. Review your resume for any errors in grammar, spelling, or formatting. Ensure a clean and professional layout, consistent font, and clear headings. Use bullet points, proper spacing, and concise language to enhance readability. Conclusion: congratulations! You've now reached the end of this comprehensive 10-step guide on how to write an effective resume. By following these steps, you have gained valuable insights into the resume writing process, enabling you to create a compelling document that highlights your qualifications, experiences, and skills. Remember, your resume is a dynamic tool that should be tailored to each job application. Take the time to customize it by aligning your qualifications with the specific requirements of the position you're applying for. This customization demonstrates your genuine interest and enhances your chances of standing out among other applicants.